How to add users to Meta Business Suite account. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can add users to Meta Business Suite. The first step is to log in into your Meta Business Suite account. Once you're logged in, move to the left side of the screen, scroll down and click on settings. After clicking on settings, you'll be brought to the settings page. On the left side of the screen as well, you'll see some tabs which include users, account, data source, etc. Since we're trying to add users, we would work with the users. So ensure you select people if you're not automatically on the people's page. So on this page, the next thing you can do is to move to the right side of the screen where you can see invite people and select it. And then you can see the different stages of inviting people. The first step is to type out the email address of the person that you would like to invite. Alright, so for me, I'll just be inviting this particular person here, okay, at gmail.com, and then click on next. And then under the assign access page, you'll have to determine the kind of user you're trying to add. Do you want the person to have control over everything just as you, or do you just want the person to have the partial access only? The partial access is compulsory. All right, everyone is basic, and everyone that gets added as a user has the access. So if you want the person to be able to manage your apps and integration, you can turn this on. If not, you can turn it off. Then click on next. Then go ahead and select the person's business assets. All right, and then once you're done selecting the assets, click on continue, and go ahead and tick the things that you want the person to have control over. All right, just go ahead and select it and then click on next, and then you can see business access not assigned. You want to assign, click on continue, and then send invitation, and you are good to go. In case you don't know what to assign to the person yet, you can always wait and come back later as an admin to assign. So you can just repeat the processes, and you can keep on adding as many users as you want. So the same thing applies for partners and then system users. As you add people under the people option, they'll also be part of the system user. So that's it. This place is showing empty because I have all of the people I've invited have not accepted my invitation, but once they do, they'll be able to join as system users. So thanks for watching and have a good day.